Since 1985, ICEE has provided telecoms field services, high-quality manufacturing services and bespoke solution enclosures to a variety of industries, including telecommunications, broadcasting and data processing, transport, including road, rail and marine sectors, and green technologies. ICEE operate a full turnkey solution for bespoke one-off projects or larger batch processes. Our simple process makes it easy for customers to follow while maintaining a high level of quality, efficiency and professionalism. At first contact, you are instantly transferred to our industry expert sales team, who manage your project from the start and begin working with our design team. Our design team are fully qualified to build to your specification and, due to years of experience, also fully equipped to give suggestions and ensure we build the best product for you. To support this service, we have invested in highly integrated advanced design and manufacturing resources, including 3D CAD, CNC-driven fiber laser, and 3D waterjet profile cutting machines. Using these advanced machines, ICEE profiles parts and panels in a variety of materials and thicknesses. Our waterjet cutting machine can cut virtually any material up to 200 mm thickness in 3D or 2D. Materials range from ferrous and non-ferrous sheet metals and plates, including exotic metals like titanium, wood, plastic and stone. Fiber laser technology is mainly used to cut sheet and plate metals up to 12 mm thick. Alongside our profile cutting, our turnkey solution allows us to offer other fabrication and integration services such as folding, welding, product assembly, sub-assembly wiring and kit integration. Work is inspected at all stages of production to ensure a satisfactory product that meets our high standards as well as yours before having final electrical and quality tests. ICEE also offers a range of field services in a variety of industries. These include delivery and installation, integration of customer kit and equipment, refurbishment, commissioning, provisioning, lifecycle maintenance and decommissioning. All our field services can be bought as a one-off or included in our turnkey solution. Alongside these, ICEE are government-approved installers of EV chargers for businesses and commercial properties. We manage government grants, the full installation and once again offer life cycle maintenance. To work collaboratively and compliantly in all sectors we serve, ICEE have a multitude of different accreditations which helps us to serve in all sectors. Operating from Waterlooville, Hampshire and Warrington, Lancashire, our services are available nationwide, including service support for the north of England, Scotland and even international works. To find out more about ICEE and what we can do for you, give us a call on 02392 230 604 for a rapid response and consultation.